In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all mails from your Yahoo account. Let's start by navigating to the Yahoo login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your Yahoo email address. This is your unique identifier, essentially the key to accessing all your information stored within Yahoo. It's important to make sure you input this correctly, as even a small typo can delay your access to your account. Once you've double-checked that it's correct, click Next. This step essentially confirms your login and moves you on to the next portion of the process, which involves entering your password. Now, your password is fundamental to the security of your email account, so it should be strong and kept confidential. After you've entered it accurately, click Next again. Assuming both your email address and password were entered correctly, you'll now be logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself at your inbox where all your messages are displayed. At this point, you might be thinking about manually selecting each email to delete, but there's a far more efficient way to tackle this. Look for a Select All icon that's generally located at the top of your email list. This tool is quite handy because it allows you to select all the displayed messages in one go. It's especially useful if you aim to delete your entire inbox. However, keep in mind that Yahoo may load a limited number of emails at any time. So, if you have quite a few emails, you may need to scroll down and repeat the selection process to ensure you've encompassed all the emails you want to delete. Once you've selected the emails you wish to delete, the next step is to look for the delete icon. Typically, this appears as a trash can icon situated near the top of the page. Clicking on this icon will remove all the selected emails from your inbox, swiftly clearing it out. A prompt might appear at this stage, requiring you to click OK as a confirmation step. This serves as a safety measure to ensure you truly want to delete all those emails, guarding against accidental deletions. Once deleted, these emails will usually move to your trash folder rather than disappearing entirely. They remain here for a limited time, and this can be a helpful feature in case you delete something important by mistake. It's a good habit to occasionally check your trash folder to ensure nothing essential has slipped through before they're permanently deleted. And there you have it, you're now well on your way to achieving a cleaner and more organized inbox. This concludes our tutorial on how to delete all emails from your Yahoo account.